In this video, we will cover how to perform job material issue and return in Axacute. To issue a raw material to a job order, first you must ensure that the status of the job order is released. At the home page, click on the WIP button. Select Job Material Issue. At the Job Material Issue page, select the warehouse for the job order. Use your mobile device to scan the barcode on the job sheet to input the job order, suffix, and operation. Click on the Next button. Axacute will display all the raw materials that are required by the job order. Quantity required indicates the quantity needed for the job order. And quantity issued represents how much quantity have been issued. Select the raw material to issue by clicking on the line. Before the issuance, verify that the material details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the barcode label on the material to input the item code, location, and lot number. By default, you are not allowed to enter quantity more than the balance quantity to issue. But there is a chance that you might need to issue more than what is required in your process. To allow this to happen, check the Allow Over Receive button in the transaction parameter under Job Material Issue. Enter the quantity to issue, and click on the Process button to proceed. If the issue is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have issued. It is not uncommon to have excess or rejected raw materials returned back to the warehouse. To return any raw material from the shop floor back to the warehouse, you can use the Job Material Return function. At the home page, click on the WIP button. Select Job Material Return. Select the item warehouse. Scan the barcode of the job order, suffix, and operation on the job sheet to input the information. Then, click on the Next button. Select the material to return. Scan the barcode label on the returned material to input the item information. Select the inbound location to receive the returned material. Select the lot number of the issued material to return. Enter the quantity to return, and click on the Process button. A success message will be prompted if the return is successful. If needed, you can print a label for the material that has been returned. Thank you for watching this video.